Hi, in this video, we will talk about bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is a process of recording financial transactions of a business in an accounting system and the creation of reports every company is required to prepare and keep books of accounts as its registered office of the company. The advantages of bookkeeping are cost-effective. By maintaining books of accounts, it is easy to ascertain cost of whole unit or per unit of product, which ultimately leads to figure out where more money is expanding or where we need to control. Time effective. By maintaining books of accounts, it is possible to ascertain exact profit or loss timely and to ensure that all relevant taxes are paid and tax filings are made on time. Higher profit. Profit can be triggered with the help of accounting. We may know time to time basis what needs to be done to a certain correct profit. Reduced tax liabilities. With the help of proper books of account, it is easy to identify that each and every bill is entered or not, which ultimately leads us to correct tax summary. There are 3 types of plans in bookkeeping. If your turnover is up to 50 lakh, you should choose plan Silver. If your turnover is between 50 lakhs to 1 crore, you should choose plan Gold. If your turnover is between 1 crore to 2 crores, you should choose plan Platinum since it also includes income tax audit assistance. At Super CA, we provide you a convenient platform for bookkeeping by doing the following steps. Choose the plan. Log in to our self-help portal. Click on Continue. Fill the basic details about business and click on Pay Now. Once we receive the payment, go to My Service tab and click on the plan you selected. Select month and year for filing and upload sales bill, purchase bills and click on Submit. Once we receive the documents, we will start preparing the filing documents and you can check status under My Service tab. The documents required are purchase bill, bank statements and sales bill. If you have any query, please contact us on 8000 900 68 or you can email us at contact@superca.in.